Welcome back to Acorn Cottage. Today in the studio, I'm creating ornaments for a Christmas in July show. I'm going to show you how I make this candle clip ornament inspired by a vintage one in my collection. I'll be using vintage metal Christmas tree candle clips, half-inch wood dowels cut to 3 inches with an angled top and with a hole pre-drilled to insert the chenille flame, silver glass glitter in a fine grit, silver tinsel trim, and lacquered holly leaf and berry trim. Let's get started. First, I hot glue the dowel piece into the candle clip. You can find vintage candle clips online, and they still make new versions of them. I'll paint the dowel with silver craft paint as a base color for the glitter. After it's dried, I will glue on the silver glass glitter. Here I'm using some Mod Podge, but you can use any thick glue. And I paint over the bottom of the clip, as it will be covered with the tinsel trim. I don't paint the top of the candle. Next, for the candle drips, I use hot glue. I create the drips from the top edge down. Sorry, they are hard to see on camera. I turn the candle upside down to control how far they drip. Then I put a ring around the top edge of the candle, being careful not to cover up the hole. Once the hot glue is cooled, I paint the drips with white craft paint. Next, for the flame, I use yellow bump chenille stems. I like to tone down the yellow color using watered down brown craft paint. I use my fingers to distribute the paint over the fibers of the chenille. Then I use watered down red craft paint to darken the middle of each bump. I'll be cutting each bump in half, so the red will actually be the base of the flame. Here I cut the bumps into the individual flames. Next, I hot glue the silver tinsel trim around the base of the candle. I'm going to cut off the stem of the holly trim and bend it to the back side. Then I'm going to hot glue it to the base of the candle. And lastly, glue the flame to the top of the candle. I like to put a bend in the tip to make it look more like a flame. And there you have a beautiful vintage-inspired candle ornament. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And for unique crafting supplies and holiday decor, visit my Etsy store. See you next time.